Hello, Juan. How are you today?
Hi, hello.
Hello. How are you?
Good. A
Good.
little
Okay.
tired, but it's
Okay.
good.
Okay. Very good. So that's nice. Well, thank you for being here on time. We are going to start a class in a moment. So let's see. Hello, Sonia.
Hello, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm great, teacher.
Okay, that's pretty good. Thank you for coming on time to our class. We are going to start in a moment. Just please let me send a message on the WhatsApp group and then we can start. Okay, well, I already texted your classmates, so some of them are coming now. So everybody, thank you for being here on time. Oh, give me a second, guys. My camera is off. Okay. Okay, it's time to start, everybody. So thank you for being here on time. Sonia, Juan, and we have Victor today. Hello, Victor. How are you today? Hi, Victor. Very tired. Okay, I'm really sorry, Victor. But I hope you can practice today and that you enjoy our practice for today. So thank you guys for coming on time to our class. It's time to start. Okay, as you know, everybody, today we finish with our first unit. Remember that this level is compound of 5 units. Okay, so today we are going to finish with unit number 1. That's why, everybody, today we will have a very short review of what we have studied this week. And after that, we will have a speaking practice in groups, in pairs. So we will see, okay? Depending on the number of people that is coming to our class, we will have a short practice about the topics, okay? So everybody, in this opportunity, we are going to start with an activity that maybe you saw, give me a second. One activity that maybe you saw in our first presentation, the presentation that we have on Tuesday, but we didn't study or we didn't practice because of the time. Okay, just give me a second, guys. My computer is running a little bit slow. Okay. Okay. Welcome, Javier. Welcome, Marcela Abigail. Welcome, Maria Esperanza. How are you today?
I am good, thanks.
Okay, very good, Maria. Thank you for being here. Marcela, how are you today?
I'm fine, teacher.
Okay, pretty good. Thank you. And Javier, what about you? How are you today?
Coming.
Okay, very good. Guys, I am having internet problems today. So if you can't listen to me very well, let me know, okay? We are going to start with our activities. As I told you, maybe you saw this activity on the WhatsApp group in one of our presentations. But today, everybody, we are going to practice. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, everybody, this is the activity that we have for today. As you can see, we have two cars. The first one is the white car. We have some characteristics about the white car. It is spacious, it's a modern car, it has 4 doors, it is expensive, it is really, really expensive, it is fast, and it is also comfortable, okay? Then we have the red car. This one is small. It's an old car. It only has 2 doors. Of course, it is cheap, but it is slow. And sadly, it is uncomfortable. So in this moment, you have to tell me which one do you prefer using the expressions that we use to make evaluation and comparison. Remember that in some cases we use these expressions to make or to make a comparison. In some other cases we use it to to talk about the evaluation of these objects. For example, everybody, of course, I prefer the white car because the red car is not fast enough. Also, I could say that the red car doesn't have many doors because 2 doors is not that spacious as we need. And it is not, well, it is too uncomfortable because it is too small either. So everybody right now, tell me, which car do you prefer? Well, to start our activity, I want to listen to, okay, everybody, let's pay attention to Sonia. She will be our first volunteer. Sonia, tell me, which car do you prefer?
Okay, in my case, I prefer the white car. I think is I don't know if I can say enough spacious. And is no?
It is not spacious enough, okay?
Okay. And I think it's comfortable because it has 4 doors. It's expensive, but it's not a problem.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, very good description.
It's only my dreams.
Okay, but well, if you can dream it, you can do it. Well, thank you, Sonia, for your description of the car. So you prefer the white car. It's better, of course. So in this opportunity, you have done a great description. You have said a great description. Thank you for it, Sonia. Now let's pay attention to one boy. Everybody, let's pay attention to Juan. Okay, Juan, tell me, which car do you prefer? Hello, Juan.
Sorry, I was doing another thing.
Okay, I got it.
I came
So
back.
excellent. So tell me, which one do you prefer?
Not always expensive is the better.
Okay.
It's the best. And in my case, I would choose the red one.
Okay, why?
Well, it's cheaper than the other one. and and it would be possible the fixed would be very cheap.
Okay, well, I really like your description of the car that you prefer, the red one. So yes, that you are right. In the case of, well, as I can see, Juan, you really like cars. So that's why you think that it's better to have in this case, a cheaper car because it's easier to fix it. Okay, so that's a good description and also a good decision. Okay, so guys, if you decide the red one or the white one, there is no problem, guys. This is your decision, so I will not I will not say anything bad about that, guys. But you are deciding very well. So right now, let's go with another girl. Everybody, pay attention to Marcela. Okay, Marcela. Today we only have Marcela Abigail. So tell me, Marcela. Okay, which car do you prefer?
Okay. And I prefer the red car because it's it's oh, uh, uh, okay, sorry, and it's difficult to me order ideas in my mind.
Oh, don't worry. That's why we are here. We are practicing to help you to improve that part. Okay?
Okay, one more time. And I don't prefer the red car because it's it's not it's it's not as slow. No, it's not as slow as the white car.
Okay.
Uh, I confused.
Oh,
Sorry.
no, don't worry, okay? Your example was really good. Just yes. In that case, we can change the adjective, right? So the red car is slow. So the red car isn't as fast as the white car, okay? In that case, we use the opposite, okay, Marcela? But that was a great effort, okay? You did a great effort, so continue practicing. You will do it even better each time. So everybody, well, I know that this is kind of difficult because in our in our Tuesday's class, it's better and it's easier to use comparatives. Why we are not using comparatives in this class, everybody? Because that's not the topic that we have studied, okay? We are using these expressions to make evaluations and also to make comparisons between well, two things. In this case, between two cars, okay? In some cases, we can make comparisons and evaluations between houses and apartments, between Android and iPhone, between Spotify and YouTube Music. So we can evaluate and make comparisons about different things. Okay? The important thing is to practice and use these expressions in the correct way. That's why everybody today we are going to practice. We will have a very short review and very quick review about evaluation and comparison. Remember that in this case, we use, give me a second, these expressions for adjectives and these expressions for nouns. Okay, in this moment, I want to listen to Javier. Javier, what is an adjective? Can you tell me an example? Okay, let's see. Maria, can you tell me an example of an adjective?
I think it is a house or a car. No,
Is a house an adjective?
I don't know. I think
Okay, let's
I
see. Oh, okay, Javier, thank you for letting me know, okay? So let's see. Okay,
I don't know.
adjective, remember? Adjectives describe people
The
or
color.
things. Okay,
Oh,
so what is an adjective? For example?
oh, it is a tall.
Very good. Tall is an adjective. Another, oh, give me a second, guys. I will do it bigger because, okay, bigger. Okay, so tall is one adjective. Maybe we can say fast is another adjective. So all the characteristics that a person or an object have are adjectives, okay? So in this case, as you see, tall, fast, Victor, what is another example of an adjective? Can you tell me one? Let's see, another adjective. Okay. Okay, another adjective that we can use, everybody, depending on what we want to say, is big, and the opposite, small. Small, I'm sorry. Okay, so as you see, we use adjectives to describe. In this case, remember that we use the adjective, for example, in not enough, we use it in the middle. For example, the adjective is over here. Okay, in that case, we say, I don't know, guys. Well, if we want to compare, in this case, cars, as we did in the first activity, if we want to compare cars or evaluate cars, we can say that the red car isn't fast enough. So I want a car that is fast, that runs a lot of kilometers in an hour, many kilometers in an hour, but the red car is not capable. So in that case, it is not fast enough, okay? Then remember that we use the adjective. When we are using to, we use to, and then we use the adjective. And the meaning is negative, okay? It has a negative meaning. For example, the white car, it's too expensive. So I don't have money to pay for that car. Only Sonia, but I don't have enough money, okay? So it's too expensive for me, okay? Everybody, this is the order that we use for these expressions. Then we have the other expressions that in this case, because they are in affirmative form, they express the same, the same way, the same characteristics, or they are equal. Okay, for example, okay, I can say that the white car and the red car, well, the red car is as useful as the white car. So I can use both. They help me to work. They help me to go shopping. They help me in different things, right? So in that case, everybody, they are, the red car is as useful as the white car. So they are equally useful for me, okay? And then we have the second option or the second expression, just as you remember, this is, it also means that they are equal. For example, I don't know, guys. Well, the red car is just, well, this is not the same, guys. This is not the same. So I cannot say comfortable, but I will use useful because they have the same meaning at the end, okay? As, and just as, they have the same meaning. So just useful as the white car. The red car is just useful as the white car. Okay, so in that case, everybody, we are talking about the same way, the same characteristics, or they are equal. Remember, we can use as in negative. Yes, it's possible. But as you can see, we have some expressions that it's better if we use in negative, and some others that we can use in negative and also in affirmative form. Okay? Then everybody, as you can see, we have some other expressions that we can use with nouns. Okay, Marcela, what is a noun? What is an example of a noun? Can you tell me? Hello, Marcela.
Hello, me.
Yes, Marcela, because Marcela Stephanie is not here today.
Okay, sorry. Example nouns, computer, tree, car, etc.
Okay, very good. A computer, a tree, a tree, a
There
car.
are proper names, teacher.
Yes, the proper, well, in English, proper names, no, proper nouns. Okay, remember that all of those are nouns.
Yes, no.
Well, the common nouns are, for example, a computer, a tree, a car. The common nouns, I'm sorry. And the proper nouns are, for example, Christian, for example, Loki, for example, Paquito. So those are the proper nouns, okay? That's the difference. In this case, everybody, because we are talking about characteristics and comparison and evaluation, we will use the common nouns, okay? And as you can see, we use the nouns, for example, in not enough, in the same way we use it in the middle. Okay, oops. Okay, for example, we can say, there isn't enough, sorry. It doesn't have, oh, give me a second. I made a mistake, everybody. Sorry, okay? The nouns are always, when we are using nouns, we use it in this part. For example, there isn't enough space. So we use it at the end. There isn't enough space. Or there isn't too much space. Remember, much is for uncountable and many for countable. For example, it has many houses around. Okay, if you live in a neighborhood here in El Salvador, you know that well, houses are kind of small. Okay, so all houses are really closer. So in that case, you can say that there are too many houses around my house. So that's something that we don't like. But now let's pay attention to as much or as many as. Remember that in this case, since it is in affirmative form, it means that they are the same, okay? But if we are talking about it in negative, so we use not as or not as much as, in that case, so we say that they are not equal. But if we use as much as in affirmative or as many as in affirmative, it means that it is equal, okay? Now, everybody, because we have to move to our next activity, let's make a short practice about it. Just give me a second, guys, because it's loading on my computer. Just before we move to the next part, do you have any question about this? No questions, guys? Hello?
It's not clear, more clear for me. I
Okay,
don't understand it.
I
okay,
don't
don't worry.
understand very well.
Yes.
Okay, don't worry, girls. It is because this topic is not common. I consider that that's the reason why it's kind of confusing, because it's not common, okay? But in this moment, through the following activity, we will try to check what is the correct order of the sentences, okay? Just give me a second, okay? I don't know what happened. So we will try to focus on that, okay? The correct order, because I consider that that's the most difficult thing that we need to practice, okay? The order. Okay, give me a second. Okay. Okay, it's done. Okay, everybody, let me show you our next activity. As you can see, it is about evaluations and comparisons. Listen to the instructions. Read the two ads, then rewrite the opinions below using the words in parentheses. Okay, look at the description of this house. Give me a second. We have two houses. Depending on the time, we will study or we will practice both. If not, we will only create or describe one. Okay, look at the description. Well, the house is spacious. Also, it is a modern house. It has 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. It's very private. It is in a quiet suburb, 4-car garage, so you can have 4 cars. And the price of this house is $1,500 per month. Okay, so guys, if you have the money, you can pay for it. Okay, pay attention to the sentences. The first sentence, it's already done. There are 4 gardens. There are 4 gardens. Okay, let's see. Sonia, do you like flowers?
Sorry, teacher.
Do
Can
you
you
like,
repeat?
yes, do you like flowers?
Yes, I do.
Do you need 4 gardens to have a lot of flowers, or 1 or 2 are enough? What do you think?
No, teacher, maybe 2 is enough.
Two gardens are enough. I think the same, okay? I consider 2 gardens. In 2 gardens, I can have a lot of flowers. So I don't need 4 gardens. And imagine that house have 4 gardens. Okay, everybody, now pay attention to the sentence. In this case, we have to use the expression to. So in a negative way, everybody. There are too many gardens. Okay, there are too many gardens. Well, that's the same situation that we have, or that's the same thing that we have to do with the next sentences. Okay, so let's pay attention to example number 2. There are a few windows. So it doesn't have too many windows. That's something negative, guys. I already give you the answer, but there is another way that we can use. Let's see. We start the sentence in the same way. Okay, there are. what could be the next part of this sentence? What do you think? Okay, Juan, what do you think is the correct sentence?
Sorry. Which one?
Oh, number 2. Look at this. It says there are a few windows. I don't know why, but it doesn't have any expression here. So I consider that we can use too, or we can use not enough. So tell me one sentence using any of those. Okay, you can tell me well, you can tell me a sentence using not enough or
According to the description.
Yes.
According to the description.
Yes.
Enough, I think.
Okay, but I mean the description of the sentence. The sentence says there are a few windows. So do you think that they are enough or not enough?
Enough. Not enough. There
Oh,
are
not enough
windows. Yes.
Okay, very good. There are not enough windows because it says that there are a few. Okay. So thank you, Juan. That's the right example. In this case, as you can see, we use not enough, and after that we use the noun. Okay, so the first structure that we have to remember, not enough plus nouns. Okay, let's continue. Let's continue with another person. Juan, please pick someone else. You have Sonia, Marcela, Maria, and well, only the girls, because Hector is only a listener today, also Javier, and Victor, I guess, is a listener. So pick a girl.
Okay. María Esperanza.
Maria Esperanza, okay, she was kind of confused, but you can help me, okay? Maria, come on, don't worry. Okay, don't worry,
Okay.
Juan. Remember that, guys, practicing is
No
the way we learn
problem.
more, okay? So, Maria, in this case, look at the description. The sentence says, it's not bright enough. So, what could be the opposite of bright?
Maybe I think it is to it is the positive. It's too bright.
Oh,
Right.
remember that it's not bright enough. So what is the opposite of bright? What do you think?
All right. It's not. It's too. I don't know. I don't remember. Right.
Maybe dark?
Oh yeah. Thank you. It's too dark enough.
Oh, it's too dark.
Oh.
Remember that enough is one expression and not enough is another expression, okay? So we use it separately, not together, okay?
All right. Okay.
Okay, so that sentence was good, okay? As you can see, we use to, and then we use, let me see, we use then an adjective. Okay, give me a second. An adjective, okay? So to, dark, okay? I am copying everybody the structures for you to remember a little bit more, okay? Then we have the next example. It has only one bathroom, okay? So right now, Maria, pick someone. We have Sonia, Marcela, and that's it, okay?
Okay. Sonia.
Sonia, yeah, okay, Sonia. Look at this. this sentence says it has only one bathroom. Imagine, guys, it's a big house and it only has one bathroom. Okay. So Sonia, we have to create a sentence using not enough. Okay. Look at the structure. Okay. Remember the structure. So what could be the complete sentence?
My teacher is confused.
Okay, I will help you with the subject, okay, to start the sentence. Eat, eat. Remember that the sentence is in negative. So what is the negative form of has? How can we use has in negative form?
It hasn't.
In simple present. In simple
Oh,
present.
sorry. It I teacher, I forgot.
You forgot. Okay, let's ask Marcela. Okay, she will help us right now. Marcela, what is the negative form of the verb has in simple present?
Don't have.
It don't have.
In simple present.
Doesn't.
Ah,
Doesn't.
yes,
Doesn't.
doesn't. Okay.
Doesn't.
Haha, remember. Okay. Okay. Third person singular form rules in simple present. Okay. So it doesn't. And remember that because of the auxiliary, we use the verb in its base form. So it doesn't have. It doesn't have what, Sonia? What do we use after not? Hello, Sonia.
Yes, I'm here, teacher. I'm
Excellent.
thinking.
Okay. Oh, you're thinking. I'm sorry. Okay. I'm sorry for shouting. Okay. So tell me, it doesn't have. What is the next word that we use together with not?
It doesn't. Not enough.
Ah, so we use enough. Okay. In this case, because of the structure of simple present, we have to separate not enough, but it continues the same. Okay. It doesn't have enough. Enough what?
Enough bathroom.
Excellent. It doesn't have enough bathrooms. Okay, because imagine a big house and only one. Okay, I'm still surprised, guys. I'm sorry. Okay, so very good job. We have created great sentences in this part. Let's continue with the last sentence. Marcela, you will help me in this opportunity. So please listen to the sentence. It's not convenient enough. Okay. Remember, guys, in some cases, well, in this case, when we use to, we use the opposite adjective. Marcela, what is the opposite of convenient?
Inconvenient.
Inconvenient, very good. So what is the complete sentence? Using the expression to.
It's too inconvenient.
It's too inconvenient. Very good. Okay, so well done, everybody. Okay, claps for you, Marcela. That was very fast. Thank you. Everybody, that's our, okay, these are the sentences, or this is the way we have to create sentences at the moment of using enough, not enough, and to, okay? At least for today, we only practiced this part. So everybody, I congratulate you for your effort and for your practice. I consider that you are doing an amazing job, okay? Right now, we have to move to another activity. So please,
Teacher.
everybody. Yes, Juan?
Just I have a thought. Why sometimes for example, the last sentences, it's not convenient enough. In the other one, enough is, what is the difference? And enough is at the end of the middle of the sentence.
Oh, it depends.
Why?
If we are, great question, Juan. It depends on the word that we, or the word that we are using. In this case, if we are using a noun, we use it at the end, okay? But if we use, give me a second, what happened? But if we use an adjective, we use it in the middle, okay? That's the main difference, or the reason why we use it that way, okay? So let me copy the structures on the chat. The first one is not enough, and then the noun. In the other case, we use not, the adjective. Give me a second. Adjective. So over there you have the two structures, right? Not enough, and at the end we use the noun. On the other hand, we have not, the adjective, and then we have enough. Okay, very good. Well, everybody, as I told you, okay, I know some of these activities, well, some of these expressions are kind of difficult to use or confusing mostly, but don't worry, okay? Practice makes perfect. So we will continue practicing, guys, but now we have another topic to practice. Remember that on Tuesday, we studied, or we talked about evaluation and comparisons, okay? Yesterday, we studied, or we talked about wishes. And today, everybody, it's our following practice, okay? Our following practice, everybody, it's about wishes. Remember, the structure of wishes is I wish in simple present. Give me a second. I wish. So this form, everybody, I wish is in simple present. And then everybody, we use a sentence in simple past, okay? For example, everybody, I wish I could speak 3 languages. I can only speak 2, everybody. But I wish I could speak 3, okay? I could, the past of can. So I could speak 3 languages. Look at the instructions. Do you want a situation to be different? Think about 3 wishes. Like in Aladdin's movie, everybody, today you will have 3 wishes. Sadly, guys, they will not come true, but you can make 3 wishes, okay? And share them with your partner, okay? We are going to practice today. We can't work in groups, but we will have 1.5 minutes to think about the wishes that you want to ask for. So remember to use the following structure. I wish plus a simple past sentence, okay? I wish I were a millionaire, okay? I wish I had a very expensive car. No, I don't wish that, okay? Please, everybody, right now, think about 3 wishes that you want to ask for. And then, everybody, we are going to share in the class, okay? We have 1.5 minutes to practice our wishes, and then we participate. Do you have any question about the activity? No questions?
No.
No. Okay, if you don't have any question, we have 1.5 minutes to think about our wishes. If you have a question, you can tell me. I am going to be here to help you with any doubt that you have. Okay, 1.5 minutes starts now. Okay, guys, continue. You have 30 seconds. Okay, think about what do you want to wish or what do you wish to change? Okay, everybody, time's over. So I wrote my example. I wish we had more time in this class, okay, to practice more and also to explain or to have more activities in this class. Right now, we are going to practice. Let's see, are you ready to participate? Yes?
No.
No, come
I
on,
will
Maria.
try.
You will be the first one, Maria. No, just kidding, okay? Everybody, listen to my wishes. Okay, I wish I were a millionaire and stop working. I wish I could travel to different countries around the world. And I wish I were graduated from university right now. Okay, so those everybody from another career. So those everybody are my three wishes. Okay, I hope they will make true. Okay, now everybody they will come true. So now everybody, I want to listen to yours. Juan, tell me, are you ready
Yes,
today to
sir.
participate?
I said, I said yes.
Ah, okay,
Before
very good.
before you choose me.
Okay, so very good. Okay, Juan, tell me, what are your wishes?
For the first one, I wish I got a job this year. This is the first one. The second one, and I wish I bought I bought my own car. And, the third one, the last one, I wish I have more time to spend with my family.
Okay, very good. Can you repeat again the last example? I couldn't hear you very well. I had more time.
Okay, I to spend with my family.
Oh, that's a really beautiful wish. Okay, I really like the three wishes that you asked for. And I really hope you, well, those wishes come true in your life. But the last one I consider it's really, really important. So very good job. Well, all of them are, but the most important I consider is to spend time with family, okay? And to give them uh, something, well, most of the things that they need in life. So very good, Juan. I really like your wishes. That was a nice practice. And thank you for it, okay? All the examples and the grammar is correct. So claps for you, okay? Now, please, listen, let's listen to another person. Marcela, are you ready now?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, help me out with your wishes. Tell me, what are your wishes?
Okay, in my case, I wish I was too much intelligent and also I wish I travel around the world and finally I wish I could speak fluently English. That's it.
Okay, very good, Marcela. Well, I like your wishes. The first one, it's kind of funny, but you are right, okay? We wish we could be more intelligent, so it is important. I could say that being intelligent, every day more intelligent is important. But remember, okay, more intelligent. Too much means that that's something negative, okay? But more, and it is not correct. But in this case, more intelligent. Okay, Marcela?
Yes, yes. Okay.
Okay, very, very good. And also, I hope you come true the wish that you could speak English more fluent, okay? Actually, you have vocabulary, I could say, in a good pronunciation. So continue practicing and you will see that little by little, you will improve your fluency, okay? That's really nice. That's for you. Thank you, Marcela. Let's see, Javier, do you have any question?
Yes, can I participate?
Of course you can. So right now,
Yes,
please tell me,
yes, I am.
what are your wishes?
For example, um, I wish I had a lot of money. And well, I wish I played professional soccer. And I wish I was a father again because I have a son and I want other.
Okay, Javier, those are great wishes. Okay, you have a son. Would you like to have another son or a daughter?
A daughter.
A daughter. Okay, so I hope you come through that wish. Okay. Also, the want to be a soccer player. Consider most of well, when I was a kid, I wanted to be a soccer player. I continue practicing, but not professionally. I never played professionally, but I would like to. Okay.
Well, 5 years ago, I played professional soccer,
Really? Where?
second division, and team Marte
Okay. Okay, that's
because
really nice. Uh-huh.
uh, I don't continue because I broke my ankle
Oh my
playing soccer one
God.
day. Yes,
Okay. Well, I'm really sorry because of that, okay? But I hope you could well, I wish also you could continue work well, practicing soccer and then maybe you can play again professionally here in El Salvador or maybe in another country, who knows? Okay? Thank
yeah.
you for your
Thank you.
practice, Javier. Those are really great wishes. Actually, guys, most of your wishes or all of your wishes are really nice. So I congratulate all of you. Okay. Now, everybody, I listened to Juan, I listened to Marcela, Javier. Now it's time to listen to Maria. Hey, Maria, tell me, are you ready now?
No.
Now, come on. Okay. Try.
Yes,
Okay.
teacher.
Excellent. Okay.
Okay. I'm okay. I wish I was taller. And I wish I won the lottery.
Of course. Okay.
And I wish I could speak English very well and fluently. That's it.
Okay. Well, those are great wishes, okay? Mostly the one that you mentioned to win the lottery, okay? I wish I could either, okay? So very good job, Maria. It was a great participation. By the way, uh what's your height? Because you mentioned that you wish you were taller. So what is your height? How tall you are?
And 150.
150.
Yes.
Okay. Well, so yes, that's a good wish. Okay. Very good, Maria. Thank you for your practice. They are really that was a really good practice. And I wish you could speak English fluently too. Okay. So you're doing a nice job. Continue practicing and you will see that you will got it. So thank you, everybody. You will get it. Now, everybody, thank you for coming to our class. You did a nice practice in this opportunity. Continue working, everybody, doing your best, practicing your English. And of course, everybody, We will continue our classes on Monday. Before we go, let me show you our homework. Everybody, our homework that we have to complete on the Speak platform are the last two activities of Unit 1, okay? We have to complete, everybody, activity 1.3.5 and activity 1.3.6, okay? We finished Unit 1 with these two activities, so please, everybody, work on it and have a good night. Everybody, I hope to see you on Monday. Have a good weekend. Bye-bye.
Bye, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome. Nice to
Bye.
listen to
Good
you
Hey,
night.
today.
have a good weekend.
Bye-bye. Same for
Have
you
a good
guys.
weekend.
Thank you.